Indian troops arrested two youth in the Baramulla district. Indian Army's 52 Rashtriya Rifles and Special Operations Group during a cordon and search operation arrested Tausif Ramzan and Moin Amin in the district. The troops dubbed the detainees as the supporters of Mujahideen. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that the way Kashmiris observed Sayyid Ali Gilani's second martyrdom anniversary and paid tributes to the pioneer of the Kashmir freedom movement, time and again proved that he will remain always alive in the hearts and the minds of the Kashmiri and the Pakistani people. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement in Srinagar, said it also demonstrates the love with great leader command because of his sincerely steadfastness and bravery. Senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmad Shah has voiced grave concern over the continued bloodshed and human rights violations at the hands of Indian occupation forces in occupied Kashmir. In his message from New Delhi Sihar jail, the detained leader said that during so-called operations, innocent civilians, particularly the youth, were deliberately targeted after being labelled as militants. UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has ruled out a quick fixed trade deal with New Delhi, making it impossible to get an agreement over the line in time for this week's G20 summit in the Indian capital. As per the British media, the UK Prime Minister has rejected the idea of an early harvest deal, which could have lowered the tariffs on goods such as whiskey, but could not have dealt with the trickier subjects such as the professional services. Caretaker Pakistan Prime Minister Anwarullah Kakar has said that the trade ties between Islamabad and New Delhi cannot be restored until the resolution of the Kashmir dispute, adding his country would act as a willing partner in case the India moves to resolve the long-standing issue. In an interview with the private TV channel, Kakar said that the trade between the two neighboring rivals could not be restored under the current circumstances. Renowned Khalistani leader and Sikh for Justice founder Gurpantwant Singh Pannu has appealed to the Sikhs and the Kashmiri Muslims to move New Delhi for a march towards the venue where the G20 summit is scheduled to be held in the second week of September. The two-day summit will be held in New Delhi on September 9th and 10th. Pannu, in a video message, asked the people to march to the Pragati Maidan where the summit will be held. After the Jummah prayers, he also threatened to hoist the Khalistani flag at the Delhi's IGI airport. Although the Modi regime is downplaying the situation in Manipur, yet the latest statement by the Assam Rifles, which directly works under the Indian Army, underlines the seriousness of the ongoing volatile situation in the sensitive border state. Director General of the Assam Rifles, Lieutenant General PC Nair, in a media interview said that the situation in Manipur was unprecedented.